as far as Nilesh Cabral is concerned and the state government is concerned, I have been moving out of Goa to Delhi. I must have had almost in this from the 20th, well, I was from the 20th of this month till 15th. I must have gone 4 times to Delhi and come back, and I'm very sure the Prime Minister's office is well informed of the situation of Goa. They are coming up with a very positive solution. I only hope that, as Honorable Chief Minister was not there, is coming on the 15th, we work as a team and find a solution to the problem which is facing Goa. I have been very categorically stating in my every time हांव जेन्ना सांगता की गोंयान मायनिंग चालू उरपाक जाय. आतां ते कशें चालू उरपाचें हेजेर डिसिजन केंद्र सरकारान करपाक जाय. ऑक्शन जालें म्हूण चालू उरतलें अशें ना. खंयचे खंयचे एका खंय कशें करूंक मेळटा तेजेर विशय आमी डिस्कस करता. आनी म्हाका दिसता फर्स्ट सोल्युशन कितें काडलां की आमी वचोन इट इज नॉट कॉल्ड अ रिव्यू पिटिशन, neither it is called a curative petition. It is something to do a intervening application. IA म्हणटा पळय ताका, to put an intervening application to give a further judgment on the ongoing case which is in the Supreme Court. So we will try our best on those lines, because that has been decided how to go. Hopefully Honorable Chief Minister, as I told you, is coming on the 15th. We will seek his advice. And आमी मागीर ते IA will be filed by the state government, and central government will support, and we will ask other leaseholders or mine owners, as they call themselves, also to be part of the IA. This is the first strategy what we have put. Let us see if Honorable Supreme Court is kind enough, I am saying the word kind enough, to allow mining operation till 2020, so that these people who are working in the particular mines don't get jobless, and the economy of the state also does not get affected. So this is what we are looking at the first angle, and then we'll find practical solution after 2020. The first instance is we will find solution to continue till 2020, because the law permits the same, the legislation, the MMDR Act permits the same, the MCR rules permit the same, and it is on record. So we are finding solution till 2020 first is what we are trying to find. 40 to 50,000 people are directly involved in, employed in mining. Indirectly, almost 3 lakh population is affected. Goa is a very small state, not like other states. 15 lakh population goiche, and तितून 3 lakh people are affected जाता. So you can see what is the percentage. So we are strategizing our moves. We are going to Honorable Supreme Court again in the form of IA and asking the Supreme Court to give us till 2020 as the law permits. Let us see.